Hi folks, welcome back. Just a wee quick update on the Clubvan, where a neighbour of mine has just kind of given me a hand to sort of push it over. I got some go jacks delivered the other day, and to help me shift it about the garage. So I've decided the way I had it was no good to me because if it rains or anything like that, I can't be working outside. So I'm doing some alterations at the back here, just moving some stuff about, create a bit of space. We're going to move the Clubvan over and push it sort of the back end into the paint booth a bit to give us a bit more room, and then put the Mini in where the Clubvan was. So as I say, just a wee quick update and just to let you see how good these go jacks are. I'll tell you what, I was really surprised how heavy this Clubvan actually is. It's one heavy little bloody van. Anyway, here we go. See, I put you on fast forward where we're just moving all the stuff about, and now we're about to move it. As you can see, it's there. It's one of the go jacks. It's jacked up. Just me on my own, and I ain't no man mountain. Moved quite easily. So yeah, I'm just trying to sort of position it so that it runs into the back of the paint booth there, just to give me sort of a 3 feet in front of the car, so that I can walk either with the garage door opened or the garage door closed. This is John, one of my neighbours, good friend. Once you get the casters in the right direction, it moves relatively easily, but it is a really heavy little van. Get the caster position lined up. Once you get the caster position lined up, so we'll try to get into that corner. It just always seems to want to go towards the wall. We'll get it there. Simba try again in the action as usual. That'll do his way, that's just spot on. Just push it against the wall. So there's no danger yet hitting the wall, because obviously the go jack wheels are out beyond the outside of the van, so I can quite easily push it and it doesn't really matter because I know it's not going to hit the wall. So try and get the Mini back in now. Which is a lot easier. You know, the hell of a lot lighter, and when they're on the rotisserie, it's wing front end first. That way I can get a bit more gap at the front sort of thing for coming out and in the house. There's a little curb outside, you've just got to get it over. There we go, mini in as well. But yeah, that was relatively painless. Just a few minor tweaks, a few readjustments here and there. See, the beauty of the mini being this side is I don't need anybody to give me a hand. I can move that about myself, so when I come to actually work on the club van, I can just either pull the mini out into the alley, because I can get it back in myself, or just move it into the corner. Get Johnny back his corner in a wee bit. That's it, just fold the mirror. Gives another wee bit of space. Lock the wheels of the rotisserie and we're there. So yeah, all in all, happy with that. Gives me the space that I want. So I'm going to set about getting the engine out the club van this weekend. Well, I probably won't get the engine out, but I'll get the front end and that off. And look forward to the updates, because they'll be coming thick and fast, I think. So, I put all my stuff back in the garage. And then it's into the house for a wee brew, I think. So, if you like the wee vid, give us a like and a subscribe. That's all for us. We're off for a well-deserved cup of coffee. Ta-ra for now.